Now we'll take a look at the list of Google Cloud services that we'll cover in this course. So these are the services that we'll cover in order. So now we'll cover all the services that are part of the free tier, and most of them will have a demo attached on how to test the service or use the service. There'll be a few exceptions, very few, where we won't cover the demo because it is too complex to cover, but most of these would have an introduction and a demo. So as you can see, it covers a wide gamut of things like compute engine, storage, databases, AI, cloud repositories, workflows, and so on. Also remember that you also get $300 in free credits when you sign up. So use this to fully explore Google Cloud for the services that we will cover, as well as services that we don't cover. So feel free to experiment. You don't need to be limited by what is being taught in this course. Note that there are certain services that you cannot use with the free credits, especially things like Windows VMs, and Windows software. Please refer to the Google Cloud documentation as the list keeps changing, and you might have to reach out to Google Cloud support to fully understand this, because some of the terms and conditions around usage of Windows software with the free credits is not very clear. So that was a quick introduction to the services that we'll cover. And right after this, we are going to go direct into how to register for the free tier account and how to access the console, etc. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.